It's the morning of day 6. It's like 6 o'clock. I slept at 3:45 this morning. And woke up at 5 o'clock because I had to run errands, and while I was running errands I picked up some green tea. So it's day 6. Probably one of the best days of the week because we get to come and hang out with our church peeps and worship God as a corporate. Very integral part of my life. And this is breakfast. Hey y'all! So we just finished church. That flowy dress though.
My one's worse.
We're going to buy some fish for Dad. And I'm starving actually. Hold my hand.
She'll think so.
It's day 6 and it's so hot, but not like the ugly hot. How you doing, Rev? It was Rev's birthday yesterday. How do you feel? Old? That's what I thought. Not really. Found organic apple juice made from. Even though I wanna stay mad, even though I wanna get angry, to walk away, I would choose to stay. What up, yo? I mean, hey, y'all.
I'm gonna put on my hoodie because it makes me feel cool.
So, it is the evening of day 6. We're going for a walk. My sister and I.
Yeah.
We just got back from our walk. Welcome to day 7. Whoop whoop.
Thank goodness it's mellow.
Dinner. Welcoming in day 8. It's a beautiful morning. Not sure if you could see that in the horizon. Off to work and have breakfast at work. I'm doing great. I feel starving though.
What are you doing now?
Breakfast! Water, special K with banana. How do I feel on day 8? I feel good, okay. Not bad. I do want to feel better. I just haven't been to the gym. I need to go to the gym tonight. Bye. Lunchtime. It's so hot out here in Brookfield, but I have the best view. Right. Rock melon. Day blimmin' 9, and I can already feel the day heating up. Why it's so hot? You wouldn't believe where I am. I'm at the gym. The time is 12:40 a.m. As you can see, there's no one at the gym. So, what day is it today? Day 9, I believe. So we're heading into day 10. I haven't done any form of physical activity. Just been so tired, but guess what? I'm so excited. I got 2 days off. So tomorrow and Friday I've got off. Whoop, whoop. So what does that mean? It means I can train. It means I can go to the gym at late hours of the night, early ungodly hours of the morning, and not have to worry about getting up for work. Yeah. So gym tonight, and hopefully I go and walk up the mountain tomorrow morning. It's hot. Why do I wear a jersey? I wear a jersey so I can sweat more. I usually wear not a body bag, a garbage bag underneath to sweat more. But I couldn't be bothered putting on a garbage bag. Oh no, it's usually when I run I wear garbage bags. I need to step up my game. Thanks. What fan? Will, where's the fan button? Anyways, thanks everyone that has been tagging me and sending me links to boot camps that are free all over Springfield and all over Forest Lake. Appreciate it. I'm not going to join boot camps just yet because I feel like I need to smash up my weight loss on my own without boot camps right now, because I lost not majority, but a lot of my weight in boot camps. But right now I'm doing it on my own because yeah, at the end of the day it's just me, you know. My arm's getting sore from holding this camera anyways. Let's die together. I've just started my bike ride and it's freaking sweaty. It's hot. It's hot as in here. Oh, which is good though. I can sweat more. I'm gonna warm up here. Then I'll go for a jog on those treadmills. Music's always good here at the Forest Lake Gym. Shout out to Forest Lake Gym. And shout out to Elijah who's singing and exercising at the back there. He's a good kid. I feel good. My legs are sore. My legs and my feet are probably wondering why they're moving so much all of a sudden after they've been resting for like 4 or so months. Haven't felt tempted to eat disgustingly yet. Hope that's a good thing. I'm gonna jump on the scale today. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully lost some kilos. like a boss. So like just over a week, almost 4 kgs lost. Oh. 10.
Oh, cool.
Saying it's day 10, and remember I said I've got day off today and tomorrow, thank God. I was supposed to go up the mountain this morning. Well, I went to drop off my mum and Josh. Me and Lige slept at like 3:45, I think, because we were watching. We got back from the gym about 1:30ish, had showers, mucking around, then started watching a movie. Then didn't even finish the movie. Went to sleep about 3:45. Had to wake up back at 5 o'clock to take mum and Josh to work, and so I couldn't be bothered going up the mountain because I was too tired. Don't want to fall asleep on the road. But it's a hot day today. I got home, went back to sleep. Woke up at what time I wake up? Like literally almost 10 to 11. Then clean my house. Work. I forgot to take a bit of my breakfast this morning because my camera went out, and so I had for breakfast this morning Weet-Bix and banana and milk, and went to shop to get a falafel kebab and some water. Going to Indro and I'm going to pick up mum. So. What the? This guy's a hustler. I got Josh on the healthy eating house eating kebab.
Anoint me and the whole entire team, the Son is the lead Father, Lord. I pray, Lord, for your fresh anointing, the Father, Lord, to be upon our whole entire team, Father. I pray, Lord, will continue to bless me.
Healthy snacking. This is not healthy snacking. How do you feel? Unlike some people who can like hard out eat and just not get fat. Too bad we're not like that. Vegetarian sausages made from chickpeas. I forgot what else. All I remember is chickpeas and lentils. That's all I remember seeing in the packet.
Put this in your glove.
She's laughing.
It's dead. It's so funny. It's so funny. Stolies.
Day 10 is day 10 is coming to a close, and I'm here at the gym. It's just after midnight. Sucks because wasn't supposed to work tomorrow. Remember I said I've got 2 days off, but not anymore. Work rang and said that they needed me to come in because someone called in sick for tomorrow morning, so I'm working at 6. So I'm here at the gym, right? Finish here maybe around about 1:45. I didn't get home, shower and sleep by 1 o'clock to wake up at 4:30 to work tomorrow because the grind is real. Wesley's here! Anyways, to continue my vlog, I overate today. I overate everything good there, so. Surely. Hi, Wesley. Gym time. I'm totes dead. Waiting for Elijah to 5 more minutes. I'm more wasted tonight than last night. It's day 11. Wait. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, it's welcome to day 11. I'm at work. Oh, I'm feeling really tired. But no, I didn't make a mistake on going to the gym and coming home late and sleeping around 2. No, I don't regret that. So I got some physical exercise in.
Check out them calf muscles. You're looking a little sweaty.
Yup. Welcome to day 12. Look at this view. It's Saturday morning, and what am I doing? It's 5. Oh. It just turned 5 o'clock. I'm going for a walk. Okay, so where am I? I'm here at Steve-O's house. I'm not going to show you the location, obviously, because you might stalk him. But what are we doing, Steve-O?
Cartwheels and handstands today.
You know the deal. This man has lost 20 Ks.
I feel like I put on 20 last night, but it's alright.
He's doing really well. We're going to go walkies. How many kilometers?
6.
6.
No, 6.
Shut up. You're mocking me by my accent. But anyways, we're very excited not. Look who turned up. I got new exercising friends. All the way out these ways. The things we got to do for exercise, they come all the way out these ways.
I know.
Drive 28 minutes just to come and exercise with people.
For 3 minutes.
20 minutes.
For free. Get out of here, Steve. Breakfast. Personal. We're out for dinner to celebrate Mum Dad's 20th anniversary, Liz's birthday, Ray's birthday. The struggle is real. There's nothing vegetarian, no? Yeah, no. There's not much choice in vegetarian eating, so I'm eating a fried thing. Hey guys! Hey guys! I press record and make sure you like, share and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Links will be down below in the just above the comment section.